Hey beauties, it's your girl Daisy. I'm back with another video. So I've been listening to your guys' requests and you have been interested in more makeup. So what I decided to do was revive an old wig, get this beautiful purple color, and I'm going to show you a makeup tutorial using the Jackie Aina Palette. So if you're interested, stay tuned. So what I am doing is installing this wig. I started a little bit off camera. I wasn't going to show the wig part. I was just going to do the makeup, and I'm like, hold on, I need to show this install because this lace is looking bomb. I decided to use an old 613 wig I made with some bundles I received from Janet Collection some time back. Yeah, like close to last year. So if you're interested in knowing about this hair that I have in my head, just check the description box and I'll give you the link to that original review. But I'm just showing you guys that Janet Collection's hair is bomb even like after a year later. Keep in mind, I only wore the wig like maybe 5 times, but the hair is flawless. I made this wig and customized it so well. I'm still proud of myself, like, okay, because you know sometimes you just should practice. So if you are like me and you wear a lot of wigs, just practice on some old wigs and it's amazing. Like I didn't have any 613 wigs currently, so I was like, I really wanted to use this purple dye that I had for the longest, and I just decided to use it, and I'm glad that I did. Now just stay tuned and I'm going to show you how I got that flawless look on this frontal and finish styling the hair. If you're interested in just the makeup part, then just skip towards the end of the video. To make this wig look more natural, I'm using some foundation. It's actually from Colourpop, and I am actually just going to place that in the parting space and the frontal. So the little spaces in between the baby hairs, you want to do that, and that's what just gives it that natural look and makes it really look like it's coming out of your scalp. I will have the information on the foundation and all of the makeup in the description box below. All right now, so I got this wig slayed to the gods. Now it's time to get into this makeup. Again, I'm using the Jackie Aina Palette, so I'm going to show you how I do my eyes, my full face, the whole shebang. So just sit back, relax, and watch this slay. And that is everything. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until my next video. Bye.